Hi, my name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and this is going to be a 3-part series. This is part 1 of 3 of how to maintain, how to start, how to improve your body. And sometimes in the land of health, so much focus is on the body or nutrition. And so I just kind of want to clarify what all of that means, what that may mean to you, and give you some questions to consider. So welcome to my YouTube. We're going to start with part 1 today on how to maintain a healthy body. So again, we're going to talk about the body, and we're going to talk about maintain, how to start something, or how to improve. And maintenance is a really interesting term. Maintenance is something where you just want to keep it up to speed. You want to keep it at the level that it's performing. So you kind of have to assess, you do have to assess your reality. What is, if you were to rate, I guess, the reality or health of your body, what would that be like? And then you kind of have to back up, and what rating system are you using? Are you using, your cardiac, your system for your heart? Are you using your hormonal? Are you using your weight? Are you using, other things? How are you rating your body? And there's so many different ways you can do it. I've been in the industry for 20 years, and a lot of times in the diet industry, we use body weight. But is that really actually a clear picture of what's going on? Not really. It's just one measure of health. And so when I've been in creation of a book for about 2 years, and we are kind of at the last few miles of the marathon here of writing a book, and we've defined health as your best optimal life. So if you have a healthy body, is your body showing up in a way where you can have your best optimal life? And how do you maintain that? So maintenance would suggest that you're at a level that you want to maintain, whatever that level of health is for you. And so you're going to do the efforts that it's required, that the efforts that was required to get there, you have to sustain. So if you're doing changes that require 1,000% more effort than typical, your likelihood of maintaining that is really, really low. So this is why crash diets or things that are super hard and hustle, like 75 hard and all these things, they work for maybe 75 days, but do you actually, or maybe they don't work, but do you actually maintain them? And what did you actually get out of that push and that drive and that super hard thing that you did? So congratulations on doing a super hard thing for an hour or a week or, a month or whatever. But that same effort that required to change or build or whatever, you might need to maintain. And sometimes going full throttle for a long period of time is burnout. So I see it in business a lot when people are creating a business and all the effort that it takes to build, they're like, oh, but once I get there, it's going to be fine. I don't know. It's gonna require the same amount of effort that it took to build. Are you willing to do that? So a lot of times in health, and what I do is to maintain a healthy body, you first need to figure out, are you happy with where you're at? And most of the time people say no. So it's learning how to accept where you're at first. That is going to be the first step on maintaining a healthy body. Now that's maybe not what you wanted to hear when you clicked on this YouTube. The first step in maintaining a healthy body is falling ridiculously in love with the body you have now. That does not mean that it can't change, but in order to maintain it, a lot of kindness, a lot of love, a lot of slowing down, which in biology, we call that regulation of your nervous system. Slow down, and then change will be that much easier, I promise. If you like this, stick around for part 2 on how to start. This is brand new. You're not maintaining. How to start a healthy lifestyle. And follow along. Okay, bye.